Ultimate Smoothie Guide Review. Grab your copy, $27 for only $15. Never before released smoothie guide, the ultimate smoothie guide. Get your copy today. If you feel tired, stressed, and worn out, most of the time you're not alone. With our fast-paced lives, most of us don't eat the right foods and end up running on empty most days. Never before released Smoothie Guide, the ultimate smoothie guide. Get your copy today. Plus, if you buy today, we'll include these bonus ebooks as our thanks. Bonus 1, here's how you can add years into your life with delicious, wholesome foods. Learn how you can prevent age-related diseases and get healthy today. A healthy diet is important for a well-functioning body. However, it isn't as restrictive or as confusing as people imagine. Food is the source of energy that we consume to provide nutritional support and has a direct impact on our cognitive performance in every stage of life. Your food choices each day affect your overall health and well-being. It has a significant impact on your mood and mental health. Hence, the type and amount of food you consume has a major impact on your body. However, eating a healthy, balanced diet doesn't mean surviving solely on carrot juice, rabbit food, and bird seed. All you have to do is really simple. Eat from a wide variety of food groups in the right quantities to maintain the energy and nutrients a healthy adult needs. Grab your copy, $27 for only $15.